Yeah, you know what it is. Bernhard. Bad news. Jersey. SOS.
Smoking and drinking.
Drinking and
You know what
smoking.
it is. Fuck, play some games.
Yo, if you win the game, you're taking the loss. Cause you only in the game playing EA Sports. In life you can't pause, play later and eject. No start over, no reason, no reset. You reject, no way you beat the others. Street fighters out ready to shoot for Smash Brothers. Rampage like Godzilla and King Kong. Like this is how it's playing with Frog and Pong. Mike Tyson punch out, but you would never spar me. And things done changed with playing Atari. And you a Barbie, I'm a G.I. Joe. Your Final Fantasy gon' get your Halo. My Metal Gear Solid just to help me match pain. I got yellow weed, come and get a pack, man. And fuck what you saying, you ain't using your brain. You ain't hood cause you bang in the video games. That's the rest.
City gang.
Bad news.
Fuck y'all playing.